Zanu-PF Mugabe era youth leader Kudzai Chipanga is appeared before a Rusape magistrate to face charges of theft involving agricultural inputs valued at $11,000. Zanabena mashoko atonoto aiwa vakomana aiwa vemu regime vakomana vatakutonda nekutongo survivor nekuda kwekutongoluta nekuba nekudidi zvisiri pachena. Zanabena mashoko anobuda achinyorwa panapa anoda subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tichipinda panapa vanobuda nyora chiti Chipanga gained fame as a vocal and controversial figure in Mugabe's regime and used his position to intimidate political opponents and citizens. He became one of the most visible faces of the Zanu-PF Youth League, often issuing feared statements and leading campaigns against perceived detractors of Mugabe's rule. In the final days of Mugabe's presidency in the late 2017, Chipanga was a key player in the factional battles within the ruling party, aligning himself with the G40 faction led by Grace Mugabe. However, the tide turned during the November 2017 coup that ended Mugabe's 37-year-old rule. Chipanga avoided prison time despite his earlier defiance in the coup aftermath, which surprised many who had witnessed his present behavior. The theft charges now before the court mark yet another chapter in his checkered career. He was granted $400 bail, and Chipanga awaits the court's determination on his alleged involvement in the theft. Tomashoko anobuda achitoka panapa tiona kuti aiwa vakomana aiwa varimo mu regime takutongoona kuti aiwa sezviri kunzikana nyika yose kuti vanhu havanyasi kunzwisisa kuti aiwa kana ivo vachiduta vachitora ma-resources, how do they feel vachiona kuti the general mass and the general public and ma-citizens vanozosara vaine. Tuze mafungiro enyu pena comment section medu, subscribe or like.